for years and years I'd had a garden which was never level, and it was always very difficult to use, and it left us really wanting to improve things and make use of the garden. There are a lot of gardeners out there, but there are not very many that can do actual landscaping. We stumbled across you and gave you a call, and everything happened very, very quickly.
What we do is art, and here we're working with natural materials, natural resources, working with living things. The way in which we arrange it, the way in which we find colour combinations and texture combinations and design layout, endless possibilities really. In this garden we've just done, there's the water feature, there's lighting, and there's also an irrigation system because it's really important to have a low maintenance garden.
It's all easy to keep. It takes about 7 minutes to mow it, and that's lovely. And the rest of it should take care of itself. Looking after it should be quite easy. I think one of the nicest things about the garden is the fact that when I look at the garden from the different corners and the different points of view, I'm pleased with what I see, and I can actually for the first time walk around my garden. I've got an area where I can sit and have a meal and dine out with friends. I've got an area where I can sit and watch the sun go down. It has become a labour of love, and it certainly from our point of view it's been wonderful to watch it develop.
Just love doing something that brings joy to other people.
We love our garden, and we've loved you working with us.
And maybe you're one of these people who looks outside and thinks, what can I do with my space? You know, it's got a bit old and tired. Don't hesitate to get in touch with us. I'd love to work with you. I'd love to just get together, sit down with you and hear what you want to do. And we'll put our heads together and come up with a plan and design something that you're really, really over the moon with.